Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Paprini as Maritime English Lecturer and my beloved friend, in this special moment I would like to tell about CKP test for engine cadet. My name is Jan Alberski. My cadet number is 19.55.2036. This is my partner.
My name is Yuda Baptisyadi. My register number 1955.2048.
Okay, number 1 is max limit of hydrocarbon and O2 not supporting combustion.
Okay, I will ask question to Mr. Jeremy. Number 1, the share of oxygen is from the air where it takes at least about 50% of oxygen in the air for combustion to occur. Number 2, what is type 5 activation system suitable fit on the top of generator?
Okay, my answer is 2 generator as type fire extinguisher fault. Okay, number 3, below statement is not correspondence with safety device at engine room.
Okay, I will ask question to Mr. Gilmi. Number 3, emergency alarm, fire activation, fire detector, and smoke detector. Number 4 is signal for fire and man overboard.
Okay, I will question to Mr. Uda. The answer is fire 7 times of short whistle, 1 step long whistle. Man one port report to deck and walks over the victim who fell out from ship and helps as soon as possible by releasing the left buoy. Okay, number 5, how many types of purifier in engine room?
Okay, I will ask question for Mr. Gilmi. Number 5, 3 type is the freeze type oil purifier, the second type diesel oil purifier, the tri-lubricant oil purifier. Okay, number 6, below statement is not correspondence with color type if pipeline in engine room.
Okay, my answer is red color pipeline, fuel oil, blue fresh water, green seawater, white steam air pressure, yellow lubricating oil, and orange diesel oil. Okay, number 7, emergency generator fuel tank as per Sol me stating the port consumption.
Okay, I will ask question to Mr. Gilmi. Number 7, the generator set will consume 6.5 liter of diesel per hour when running on 25 kilovolt ampere power. Number 8, here the entering and closed space oxygen content of tank should be.
Okay, my answer is oxygen must show a stable oxygen volume of 21%. Okay, number 9. What is equipment to control prevention of pollution on deck?
Okay, I will ask question to Mr. Gilmi. Number 8. Namely, the name SOPEP. SOPEP is South Standard of Seaborne Oil Pollution Emergency Plan. SOPEP is must be used when an oil spill occurs on a ship, and how to deal with oil spill. The content in SOPEP are switch brackets, chemical oil spill is percent, call, word sand, and many others. Okay, what is function of generator diesel engine?
Okay, Mr. Ida, my answer is the governor's diesel function. The diesel engine governor function is based on the size of the diesel engine load. Automatically adjust the fuel pump fuel excessively, stabilizer the diesel engine speed, and to maintain the minimum stability of the diesel engine speed and limit the maximum speed to prevent diesel start engine speed. Okay, number 12. ISM code established per SOLAS chapter.
Okay, I will ask question to Mr. Gilmi. ISM code are sort of fourth international safety management code. Is an international standard of safety management system for safe operation of ship and efforts to prevent pollution at sea. The purpose of implementing the ISM code is to ensure safety at sea to avoid incidents that can cause casualty and ship damage that can cause environmental pollution at sea. ISM code is a process of IMO, International Maritime Organization, which was finally adopted by SOLAS Safety of Life Sea in 1994. Okay, number 30. How much density of fuel oil?
Okay, Mr. Huda, my answer is chemical structure C4 to C12. Sustain number 5 to 20. Octane number 86 to 94. Density 0.77 kilogram. Okay, number 14. 1 inch equal with
1 inch equal to 0.54 centimeter. Number 15. What is type of LSA should be put in engine control room?
Okay, Mr. Huda, my answer is fire detection and alarm system should be installed. Fire pump, life jacket, land throwing apparatus.
Okay, thanks Membrini and thanks everyone for your key attention. See you on next presentation. Bye.
See you.